Number 2, sumalaksak. Pero, may sumabit. Is foul red. Number 4, foul. Take 2, out of shooting. Number 4, first personal foul. First team foul. First throw, not counted for number 2. Second throw. Ames and fire on net. 32-39. Bola ngayon ng yellow shirt, number 1. Nasa number 26. Balik kay number 1. 14 to shoot. Number 1, fade away. Pumasok. Rebound number 16. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Mag-isa. Number 1. So number 22, tumira din ang 3. Di pumasok. Out of bounds. Yellow shirt. Keep it cool. Number 2. Sumalaksak sa ilalim. Pumasok. Di ba ba rin? Nakiwanik. Number 20. Asya na mataas. Substitution. Presented. Katerina Drive. Give out number 16 to number 15. Number 15 to number 2. Hindi ka na. Reserve timeout. Yellow shirt, number 11. Pumasok. Timeout. 16 in the third of the ball game. It's yellow shirts ball. Namang ng 4. Ang nakadilaw. Bakugan. Side rebound to number 11. Easy dribbling. Pass to number 22. Hesitated. And then laid up. Scoop shot. Pumasok for number 22. Number 11. Easy dribbling. Nasa ngayon, number 4. 100 jump shot. Pumasok. Iba na ng dilaw. Back. Ang sumali. Foul number 20. All the green shirts. Number 22 to number 11. Number 11, big shot. Di pumasok. Rebound na nakadilaw. Takes. Hinihari ang number 11. Settle down. Number 22. Makes his move. But nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 05. 15. Substitution. A green shirt. It is ball. Number 22. Inbound play for 3. Now wait. Number 2. Number 2 signaling ang play. Ginaiwan ni number 11. Number 11 sa ilalim binigay kay number 10. Ay sumabit. Who's foul red? Number 22. First throw, hindi pumasok. 7 minutes and 14 in the third. Number 15. Second throw. Ames and fire. Lumatas. Rebound number 4. To number 22. Number 11. Wala po. By number 11. 35-46. Yan ang point two. May yellow shirt. Ang ingay tayo ng yellow shirt. Mga sinanang Labisa. Number 11, to number 22. Screen play sa tres. Di pumasok. Rebound, Luz Molina. To number 12, Miranda. Miranda ay pangasa. Jump shot, follow. To number 15. Wala putnak. For 2. Number 11 now. Number 11. Hey. So number 22. Number 22, may isang ball. Pasok pa rin. Shooter's bounce. Wala yung nag-green shirts. Number 12. So number 13, tumira ng 3. Hindi pumasok. Lima number 15. Pero pagawa ng number 19. Nagtang. Number 11. Signaling a play. Easy lang daw. And screen play. And then fire for 3. Matas. Lima number 16. Perfect to number 12. Number 12. Substitution. Number 14. Out. Number 9 in. Number 77 for green shirts in. Number 22. Makes it move. Pass number 11. Di pumasok. Rebound play. Nakawan. Nakakuha yung Miranda. Miranda na sa matagal. Pasok. James and 5. Di pumasok. Rebound. Miranda. To number 77. Agaw. Back to number 12. Alien play. To number 16. Sa 11. Power 1. For 2. Number 11. Number 11. Play. Sinaling ang screen. Sinasok. But then, nakakuha ng sabi. Foul number 15. Substitution in the third. Wala ng yellow shirt. Number 4. In the play. Tinira ng test. Di pumasok. Akawan sa rebound. Down the ball, nakuha ni number 16. Hanap by number 19. Pass to number 12. But then, number 4. Hanap by number 77. To number 3. Back to number 11. Number 11. Jump shot. Sobra. Rebound play. Nakuha ng yellow shirt. Number 3. Wala ngayon ng green shirt. Number 15 to number 12. 39-15. Miranda for 3. All there. Wala ngayon ng yellow shirt. Number 4 to number 11. Number 11 to number 4. Ulit. Wala. Then, intercepted to number 3. To number 26. Ethan. Pumasok. Rebound number 16. To number 77. Number 77 to number 12. Ulit ka na. To number 15. Power move. Hindi pumasok po siya. Intercepted time. Ball number 1 ng t-shirt. Number 77. Breaks. And fires! Robert! Rebound spinning! Kuha ng yellow shirt, number 4. Number 11! Layup! Sobra! Rebound! Ay, nakarapak sa linya. Miranda. Nakawit ang bola. Pass by number 22. Miranda layup! Nice to Robert. And 1. Now, basket count, foul number 26. Number 26. And 1 play for Miranda. Bonus free throw. 41-50. 9-point lead. Reserve up. Basket. That is hindi pumasok. Rebound number 3. So number 22. Number 22. Let's go! There's a whistle. Out of bounds. Substitution. Last 2 and 80. 2 minutes and 80 seconds in the 3. Number 3. Number 3 remains. And 5. Another point lead by the yellow. 2 minutes and 15. 2 minutes and 15. Last 2 minutes. Number 3, take the field. Number 14, number 3, 14. Dito masok. Rebound, number 26. Number 26, dito masok. Rebound, number 16. Number 16. Number 43-52. Very slow, dito masok. 9-point lead by the yellow shirts. Teresian. Number 22. Second goal. All good. Number 2 immediately. 10-point lead by the St. Teresian. Sensi. Number 3 to number 22. 22. Set up a play. Close to shoot. Number 3. Number 3. Takes inside. Rebound. Number 22. Defense out. Defense out. Number 11. 25. Take the shoot. 20.